Artlii Play Smart Projector with Wi-Fi. Screen mirroring function. Without any wireless dongle, adapter or cable, the Artlii Play Smart Wi-Fi projector can mirror the contents of the phone and Android smartphone to the big screen for projection, especially when the home projector is hanging from the ceiling. The Artlii Play Smart Wi-Fi projector gives you wireless freedom. You can enjoy games, videos, TV series, photos, sports games, UEFA Champions League, etc. How do you connect to iOS via Wi-Fi? Enter the settings. Connect the projector to Wi-Fi first. Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi. Open the iMirror application in the projector. Scroll down to open Screen Mirroring setting in Control Center. Click Connect to finish and start playing AirPlay. How do you connect to Android via Wi-Fi? Enter the settings. Connect the projector to Wi-Fi first. Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi. Open the AirShare application in the projector. Mirrorcast your Android device. Your Android device may need to install the AirShare application first. You will find the download method on the screen. 1080p Full HD supported. Native resolution 1280 by 720p. Max resolution 1080p Full HD. Brightness 140 ANSI. Lamp life 50,000 hours. Projection screen 31 to 200 inch. Projector distance 1.14 to 6.85 meters. Recommended 80 inch 2.8 meters. Mini